Caldera Rip version 15 is ready. Let's have a look at the main new features. When printing on dark, transparent, or highly reflective metallic substrates, it can be difficult for cutters to properly detect and read cut marks, barcodes, and QR codes. If white ink is available on your printer, you can now use the White Under Marks feature to add white ink under and around the marks and improve the cutting accuracy on all types of non-white media. With the new Preview tool, we have made job verification before printing a lot easier. Within the Caldera Spooler and Caldera Jobs, open a preview in full screen and zoom in to easily identify the jobs inside the nest and check the marks before printing to avoid unwanted errors and waste. From a proofing perspective, the Print Proof feature helps print companies improve their validation workflow by giving them the possibility of exporting TIFF proofs of their jobs before printing. These proofs can be used for final approval from their customers before production to avoid unwanted waste. As you can see, the proof is an exact copy of what will be printed at the production level. It features all additional marks, annotations, bleed, and it even shows areas printed with special inks, such as white. Available both manually in FileMan and in combination with the Smart Hot Folders feature, Smart Import allows you to extract metadata from the file name, such as targeted printer, print configuration, and number of copies to print, in order to speed up job submission. With version 15, it's also now possible to extract scale or height and width settings to reduce human errors, ease production, and increase the quality of your wide format projects. Sync and Deploy is back. When working with several workstations to boost the production speed, Sync and Deploy allows you to synchronize updates, printer drivers, and media profiles on all computers in the network hosting Caldera Rip. For more convenience, Sync and Deploy is now embedded in the latest version of Caldera Dock. User experience has also been improved in version 15. From Caldera Jobs, it's now possible to sort jobs per date for faster job tracking and research, or easily archive jobs within a period. Also, license attachment can be done directly from Caldera Dock to save time when installing or updating your favorite RIP software. We hope you will enjoy the new features of Caldera Rip version 15. To request a Caldera Rip demo, don't hesitate to contact us using the link in the video description.